Okay, well that's disappointing. I did not record the fine tuning, the prep, and then the fixing of a couple of my nails. So, I mean, I've done it a million times, but still, I would have liked to have done that. Okay, taking gelish foundation, and I am going to apply this over the new growth in the back along with the gel that I already have on my nails to create a nice even surface. And then I'm going to give that a full cure. Coming in with the rest of the nails. If you notice, I unload my brush and then I push back, but I'm also gently kind of scrubbing it in, more so in the new growth than the gel I already have on my nails. So again, kind of unload that brush and then I push back, and by doing that, you are scrubbing it in. So you'll see I kind of move forward just a little bit every once in a while to really make sure I'm getting it in there. Unload, push towards the back, and walking it down the side. Another trick is I always go towards the middle of my nail. So example, like I'll unload here and then I will push back. And then when I come down the side, if you notice, I'm pulling towards that center. Again, on the other side, pulling towards that center. That way I'm kind of keeping that gel away from those side walls, and I'm gonna give this a full cure. Okay, now that that is fully cured, I have two clear gels. I labeled them on top for me, but I have Jimmy Gel and then Beetle Gel. Both are great. I am going to use the Jimmy Gel because this guy is almost done, so I'm just trying to finish him off. Now, since I had gel on my nails, you can see there's still a little bit of a bump, but not too crazy, because when I was filing it down, I did take off a semi-decent amount. So I'm applying this the same way because we are doing our slip layer, and this layer is not going to be cured. Okay, our slip layer is down. Go ahead and grab your gel, and then I like to scrape one side. That probably wasn't in camera. Scrape one side, and then I let that little bead kind of collect. And then gonna pop it in that back third. And since I do have gel on my nails already, I don't need to use too much. And I always make sure to go over that free edge to prevent the gel from pulling back. And I flip my hand upside down to bring that gel back into that middle, because we don't want bulky sides. Okay, gonna cure that guy. Okay, moving on to that pointer finger. So you can see we only really need to fill this back portion ever so slightly. So I will not be applying too much gel. We are going to do our slip layer. Coming around the side and then just pushing back to make sure we have an even coat. Let it come down the brush, kind of push into that back, and I'm just going to drag this down the sides and then quickly in the middle, and then flip it upside down. Okay, so I have some loose glitters here. I literally got these off AliExpress. I could not tell you where I got these. This one has like Christmas trees and stars and just so much iridescent. This also has iridescent, but it has opaque snowflakes and some of that glitter. This one's just a loose, tiny powder. And I'm just going to take a clear glitter gel. You don't have to use a glitter gel. I like to use a glitter gel, especially since I'm going to ombre that glitter on top. But again, you can just use a glitter gel polish, kind of just like whatever you feel works for you. So I'm going to just plop that towards the tip and drag it back. And the best thing about a glitter ombre is you literally can like wear it forever. I just have some tweezers and I actually cut a snowflake up before I started filming to get that bad boy on there. And I'm probably gonna put a crystal like over it, but I still want to, you know, add different elements to this. I like these clear ones. Yeah, I think this is gonna be, I'm not gonna put a star in that one though. Maybe I am. But with a Christmas tree. Was there a snowman? Oh, there are snowmans in here. So I got these in from AliExpress and I figured I would use some of them. Let's try this guy. So I'm going to keep these in place with some more glitter, which I just covered up all of my hard work. I'm gonna take a glossy top coat, but I'm going to outline the stones first. So I'm just going around the stones. Remember, you're not wanting to go over the stones. They will lose their sparkliness. And this is going to help us not catch our hair. And keep the stones nice and secure. Alright, here is the finished look, and I'm truly obsessed. Literally can't stop staring at these. I might keep these on for a couple days because I just can't stop staring at them. I'll make sure to link everything below, especially the stones. I think the stones are literally the star of the show because, like, look at that. Truly obsessed. So I'll link everything I can below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.